Hey, what's up everybody? This is BeatTheBush. Today I'm going to show you a LEGO monorail system that was released in 1987. I'm just going to show you some interesting parts of the system that makes it work. Here's actually 3 sets combined together. One, the monorail set, and 2 different expansion packs. One expansion pack is basically one big oval extension, and it's elevated, so it includes a lot of these guys. The original set comes with these little swoopy things that comes down and allows you to go up one level or down one level. So these are already included. The thing that comes with the other accessory track is more tracks, and this special Y-split thing allows any train coming into an intersection to change the tracks to keep on going. But if it comes from the other way, it can't change the track and it has to go on the same track that it's already positioned at. The motor is powered by the 9-volt battery, and it's connected like so. Battery in, put this flip cover in, put it in that side. You can see there are electrical contacts on each of the little raised nubs on the Lego. Same on this side. So when you connect something to those and turn on the switch, this has a solid one, and there's some circuitry in there that when you reverse it, it will blink. I like it on the blinking side, so I'm going to leave it there. And then you can take this wire. There's 4 contacts for redundancy, and you just connect it to there. And this motor, you can see if I push it one way, it want to go to the left. And if I push this button to the in, it want to go to the right. At the bottom, there's a pinion gear right here. It mates to the single track rail here. It's only driving on one side. If I put this down here, it'll drive on this side. But sometimes the train will be going the other direction, and then it'll use this side of the gears. The rail system is really just a really long gear. It's pulling along these gears and to go along. Nothing really special about what's in here, just some Lego tools, some spaceship thing that the guys can ride on. The guy in there. On the other side, there's 2 guys in there. The rail just goes in between here, and this swivels, and it also swivels up and down to adjust for any inclines. This is forward, this is backwards, this is stop. These guys pushes that button on the motor. This will allow you to control where the train goes. This split joint here, there's a little nub, so when the train comes here, it'll swipe against this and causes this train track to move over and make it so that the track is continuous, and it'll just roll right on over. If it comes back, on the way back, it has nowhere to push anything, so it's just gotta go back on the same road. And if it happens to come on this side, it'll push this nub, make this continuous, and keep on going. This thing allows you to move it yourself. The arrow here is pointed this way, so when a train comes in, it's just gonna hit this and go back. Just like that. When the train comes all the way to the end, it's gonna move the track, change track. Not as interesting as, you know, you can turn this guy, move it here. Just take this guy and put the cargo here and turn this or something. And there's supposed to be a guy in here and do something with that, I guess. And that's all this station does, so let's make it go to the other station. Pretend I have this on the other way. The cargo in here. Lower it. I don't see why you need this fuss. You can just take it and put it there, right? There's a vehicle that comes with the monorail set, and it has this thing. It also has some tools inside. You take this guy with the tools and put it in there, and he can speed off. And this guy, bring it back. It's supposed to go in here, but just put it over there. So what's the deal with this thing? Well, it's just a little decorative thing. You can remove it. This is a nice little loop thing for the train to go through. I
figured you can start putting a guy on top like this, and you can essentially make this guy's day really bad. Like so. So let me put it on loosely. Let's try that again. Okay. So this is one of the straight pieces. Underneath there are 2 positions here, 4 positions here, and 2 more right here. It's so you can put some of these little stands right on top of them and make it elevated. These 4 flat pieces allow you to attach it to the rail. So you go like that. Attach. Attach it here. Here. And this guy needs to put the stand underneath.
So that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to give me a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe somewhere down here. Thanks for watching.